So this is the Echo Spot, which is new for this year actually, and it's quite similar in design to the Echo Pop, but it is a little bit bigger. It does have that half egg shape to it, and of course it has the screen. Now the screen is, I would say, the biggest selling point of this particular model, but if you've used other Echo and Alexa devices before with screens, such as the Echo Show, then this is going to be far more subtle than those are. First of all, at least at the moment, there are no advertisements here, whereas the Echo Show tended to be ad central. That said, the actual screen itself is far more limited. So it's 2.8 inches in size, not the highest resolution, but that's fine. And the only thing you're really going to be using the screen for is to see the time, see the weather, or maybe see what music tracks are playing. But it is, as I say, quite limited. It will not play video, and you will not be able to use it to connect to your video streams for smart doorbells or cameras. Now, as a bit of a bonus, the display is also a touchscreen, which is actually far more responsive than I expected. Now, there's not a huge amount you can do with a touchscreen. You can change a few settings and enable night mode as well, but nothing you can't already do in the app. But having some of those settings available right at your fingertips is going to be quite convenient at times where maybe you just don't have your phone close by. And in terms of the audio quality for when you are listening to music, I'm going to be honest, it isn't the best, okay? It is going to be not up to the same standards as the full-sized Echo, for example. However, it is going to be ahead of the Echo Pop. All we have here is a single mono driver, so single channel, not even stereo sound here, and we certainly don't have anything in terms of subwoofer availability, so make sure you do have a fiddle about with the equalizer settings. But even when you move that bass right up in the app, you're not going to have a notable punch here that, as I say, you would get more of that with the larger sized Echo. But overall, it certainly functions as you would expect any Echo device to function. You are able to connect your smart home devices to this and control them through the voice commands or through the app. You can connect it to your Apple Music or Amazon Music accounts if you wish. And overall, it is just going to be the perfect device for this garage where I'm going to be using it. Hopefully the video helped. Do you have any plans to get the Echo Spot? Please do let us know. Let us know what you think of it if you've tried it out, and maybe I'll see you in the next video.